Second declension nouns ending in this pattern hide a small surprise in the genitive. You expect a doubled vowel, but Latin collapses it to one. Watch the genitive of the word for son.
Fili.
Just one long I with the stress pulled back. 5 new nouns first.
Fluvius.
A river, think fluent.
Gladius.
A sword, think gladiator.
Filius.
A son, think filial. These 3 are masculine and end in ius. Now 2 neuter nouns ending in ium.
Praesidium.
A garrison, a guard or protection.
Prelium.
A battle. Now 2 adjectives, a place word and an adverb.
Finitimus.
Bordering upon, neighboring. As a noun in the plural, it means neighbors.
Germanus.
German as a noun, a German.
Multus.
Much in the plural, many.
Sepe.
Often keep one of these in mind. The neighboring adjective governs the dative case. Here is rule 1. Second declension nouns in ius and ium form the genitive singular in a single long I, not a doubled one, and the accent moves to the syllable before last. The garrison word in the genitive becomes this.
Praesidi.
And the son word becomes this.
Fili.
One I stress pulled back. Rule 2 covers the vocative, the form for direct address, proper names of persons in ius. And the word for son, take a long I in the vocative singular, not the usual short E. So calling out to the poet Vergil, you say this.
Vergili.
And calling your son, you say this.
Fili.
Here are the full singular paradigms side by side. The neuter garrison word.
Praesidium, praesidi, praesidio, praesidium, praesidio, praesidium.
And the masculine son word.
Filius, fili, filio, filium, filio, fili.
The base side drops only in the genitive and in this vocative. 2 short phrases show these nouns with agreeing adjectives. A masculine, ius noun.
Fluvius longus.
The long river.
Fluvius longus.
A neuter ium noun.
Prelium clarum.
The famous battle.
Prelium clarum.
Each adjective matches its noun in gender, number, and case. Your turn, put this phrase into English.
Predemagne ad prelia dura.
Of the great booty toward the harsh battles.
Predemagne ad prelia dura.
Now translate a direct address.
Clare Vergili.
O famous Virgil.
Clare Vergili.
Finally, a glimpse of Germany.
Germania, patria Germanorum, e clara terra.
Germany, the homeland of the Germans, is a famous land.
În Germania sunt fluvii mulți.
In Germany, there are many rivers. You met 9 new words and 2 clean rules for the genitive and the vocative. To practice what you just learned, this course has free exercises and AI-graded feedback on ludium.ai. The link is in the description.